so got all the lights burning today. Just got those finished up a little bit ago. Worked on that pretty much all day. Pulled the wire in between the last boxes right there. Had my apprentice work on piping out of that box again, up, going over down to the switch, which will be, they're gonna cut a door in right there through the concrete. And then he also worked on mounting these boxes here for the low voltage occupancy sensors. So I just wired up this one and he wired up this other one over here. And then we got a coil, which isn't tight yet, but that's gonna go into a power pack right there. And then tomorrow we'll probably pull some wire, redo the switching in here. There's gonna be a three-way. There's a switch on the other side of the door right here, which turns on these lights. So we're probably gonna pull wire between that pipe and then it comes back in all the way through there. So we're gonna pull travelers and dimming wire going all the way up and over to that switch box over there. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do tomorrow, but that's probably gonna take a while. Then we can maybe put in the switches in as well. They're gonna be dimming, like I said, dimming on one side, regular switch on the other side. But yeah, that's what we worked on today. Really happy I got everything done. Trying to keep the wire nice and tight along the top so it looks clean. Had to like 180 into these. That's the way I did it, is 180 into the lights. But yeah, try to keep it nice and clean up top. So everything turned out really nice. I like the way that it turned out. And yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video. And yeah, that's gonna do it. And God bless. Peace.